If you're struggling to save money, if you feel like your paycheck disappears the second it arrives, you are not alone. In fact, most Americans today don't have a money problem. They have a system problem. And the truth is, wealthy people don't manage money the same way everyone else does. They use systems that automate discipline, systems that force their money to grow. Today, I'm going to show you one of the simplest and most powerful systems used by high-performing individuals in the US, the 3 bank account trick. This method is exploding right now because it fixes the biggest gaps in how people manage their money. And once you understand it, you'll wonder how you survived without it. Let's break it down. Account number 1, the C, core account. This is the account where all your income lands. But here's the twist. You never spend from it. This account is the brain of your money system. It receives, it organizes, and it distributes. Account number 2, the bills and responsibilities account. Every month, the exact amount needed for bills, rent, utilities, subscriptions, food, and basic living expenses is automatically transferred into this account. This ensures your life is paid for before you ever touch a dollar. No stress, no surprises, no, oops, I forgot that bill. Account number 3, the growth account. This is where wealth begins. This account captures every dollar you intentionally pull away from your lifestyle. This is your investment money, your stocks, ETFs, real estate funds, side business funds, everything that makes your future self wealthier. Here's the magic. When your money is separated, it behaves differently. You stop overspending. You stop panicking. You stop guessing. And instead, you start building. People using the 3 bank account system report saving more, investing more, and reaching their financial goals faster than ever. Not because they make more money, but because they finally control the money they already have. This system is simple, it's powerful, and it works. If you want more strategies like this, systems the rich use but never talk about, hit subscribe. This is Finance Forge, where we forge your financial future, one smart decision at a time.